That's Alaline. Happy New Year to all the burritos out there. Thanks so much for supporting me in 2013. And I hope that you'll stay by my side for 2014 as well. Big up on yourself. Now it's time for the Sting 2013 review. So first of all, my question is, why the hell was Wyclef Jean doing that Sting? As honestly people, I don't know if I me one, but I cannot name more than 5. I think I can't even name 3 songs where Wyclef sing. All me know is, said I be gone to November, maybe gone to November, January, February, March, April, May. Wyclef is a performer. It's just like Ninja Man. Them can go on stage show, book feet, sing and perform without having one decade hit song. Richie B, ya big MC. Long time in this game. Any old minute I feel vice. Text would know me. Straight vice note. So every artist really gonna go up on the stage for call up cartel name just so them can get a little easy cheap forward. No man. Stylish, your performance them are improved. But how they got you stylish? You didn't really need a backup singer for them kill this song the way they are sing on the stage? No man. My girl come out the favor and knock off Brat's Dolly. So your books touch the stage, you know. I'm glad say you grace the stage just so I can hear the one tune there. Anytime I hear the song there, I turn Rastafari same time.
Bobo Berry.
I choose a Winchie Bobbitt and Monica remix the song. Nadinola, rub up the cake soap. Hola, Nadinola. Sing it again. Aishana did look damn good in the dress but Beyonce selling her. Daniel D.I. What a girl love a broke pocket man. My word. You and the street boy them half a tree must be best friend. Next thing people, what the box foot 2 Chainz did I do a Sting? 2 Chainz at Sting was like beer in the big blue house in a 101 Dalmatian. Welcome to the big blue house.
I'll meet for real. Came up, that's all me. Stay true, that's all me. No help, that's all me.
You tell me no. When me hear say 2 Chainz come Jamaica, honestly me sorry for him. Because any of them half a tree cash for gold man that they raid him. He would have left gone back to USA with a name change. No chain, no chain, no chain, no chain, chain. The Kiprich and Black Rhino clash, it miss me. And right about now at 2014, no, me not have no time I watch that. But right about now, me have to say big up yourself Kiprich for going all the way to Sesame Street and thieving Oscar the Grinch close to come where? Clash time! So ladies are up on the stage and I look for the mongrel. Oh yeah, try Sessa. Yeah, pedigree. Cause as much as I love you, that the hairstyle that it look like say is a lawnmower, did I trim you? Bring it around town. It looks sexy though, big you up. So now it was time for Macka Diamond rush out on the stage. Macka Diamond big you up for promote my name.
I want some dirty girl. Dirty.
Box cover! Next thing I know is that Macka Diamond aka Eustace step out on the stage set like one G.I. Joe action figure. Wait. Is that Macka spring water that Macka Diamond rush out on the stage with? When in the history of creation I hear this, people are running wired Macka water and man. Box cover! Oh, by the way, ladies saw is Sugar Mama and Macka Diamond is Eustace. We now continue. At one point, Macka Diamond figured her lyrics and start to survey the place.
So who want you about to watch you?
Lady Sa start to wind the one piece of good weave what she have on her head. No, sir, man. Oh, gosh. You know, say you was a little ring. You hard it well one fight. Man, I like Macka Diamond, your primary school diss them, it turn up. You know, back in the day when they do like people, they just ninging and bother them, just forget on them nerves. That is what that was. Abe, boo, you too. So, what you gonna do? Come do something now? Come do something. Here, Macka. Easy Santa Macka. Ho. Macka, I'll go into the vault and dig up Boo. But they like that. At this point, Lady Sa start deep in a Macka Diamond suitcase, closet, whatnot, chest a drawer, every single thing which you could think of. And pull out a bag of file pan Macka zoom. This is the point where Macka Diamond start to lose the clash.
Trouble me, now my time for chat. The ears pop off, die, replace that. The ears pop off, die, replace that.
Poor Macka Diamond again forward. Sa seized the moment and done it. No man, Sugar Mama, no man. Suck out your mouth, suck out your mouth. How does one? Suck out your mouth?
Suck out your mouth!
You know, people, that is when you are cuss and I try to keep decent same time. My family big pan them start cussing ya. Them will holla tell you, I want the Rastafari, you don't listen to me. Or, any day name they catch you down the side again, must stab out your toenail. Chat boat. So then there was more tracing and more tracing.
I chat so much, girl. Hey, girl. Oh, you chat so much.
The only thing left for Macka Diamond to say is nincompoop. Use that style and forget her lyrics again.
Listen to me go. Idiot girl.
Same time Sugar Mama run in and load it up. Manala I'm feeling for Macka. Macka did a DJ and I give her 100% and you can just see the tears and congregate in her eyeball.
Hey, girl, you chat too much. Hey!
John Lane, girl, sit down on a ball. All line friend them, you sit down on a call, not a line.
Spice most vexed she never get to Clash Macka last year. Can you imagine the showdown there? Lady Saw start strut across the stage.
Lord, eat that girl. Eat that girl.
Like, more while when Lady Saw a DJ, it sound like I just gum alone she have. At this point, Lady Saw start get defensive. After Macka Diamond load her up, so she at least a hype John.
Sir, your situation sad. John, I want you all when you give blow up.
Listen to this. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. What she say? She know about me pussy.
No people hear Macka.
Come on from me stage.
But die trying.
Come on from me.
She turned 50 cent to box foot. Get rich or die trying. She all draw for this.
Yeah, die
Yeah,
trying.
see, she figure to lyrics there.
Some girl.
At the basic school, cut here and walk off that, you know. If Lady Saw Virego one more time, no man, she can't conquer us bad. Anyhow, a certain prime minister did ever know how to DJ, Lady Saw get done same time. Not even have to call her name. You know who she is. As Jamaicans, you must know this. You are no say your tracing skill low when you repeat what the person say. Your ugly toe. Your paper dog mess toe.
Okay, Macka, suck out your mouth.
Suck out your mouth too.
So the clash done, Lady Saw walk right half of the stage, Macka Diamond follow next. Because she never had nobody up there for war with. So that was it.
Listen me down. Oh, look good. Who response? The coward come out. The coward come out. Me not really response.
Die. Poor Macka Diamond must a ball kulu boy right now. In a Jamaica, when two women are cuss, it is never lyrical. It is always about who have the biggest, fattest, nicest, most photogenic, glimity and glamity. As bad as the man them be, when them a cuss, it is lyrical, although they might talk about who have gun and who have the biggest ammunition and all of them things there. As a matter of fact, if you follow them your dancehall artists, yeah, you would have think that everybody in the business funny. Cause when clashing a go on, everybody have some funny story for bust on the other one. I should have saw the clash between Lady Saw and Macka Diamond, Useless and Sugar Mama, hard go. If them they in a church, me hear you can pray good and your sermon sweet. So you have to preach, your offering where you give me accountage rich. Lady, you get your life already? You mean to tell me you don't get your life already? Skull AY and they are ready. How you tell me say you're ready? You don't ready? It's crazy.
But that's it everybody, thanks for watching another Dirty Berry review. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe, like my fan page, all of them things there in the description box down below. Big up on yourself, happy 2014. Oh.
I work for free. Mr. Len, Joe Vanga, that's how you want name. You did not book me for sting, but I'm here to perform for other people. Ninja man, they call me name, so I have to come up here.
Box cover. The angel big up your Nicki Minaj underwear them because all them seem to be saying these days is